Good morning, champ. Let's solve the integral of cosine cube of x times sine of x. We notice an odd power of cosine and a sine factor. This is a strong signal to use substitution. We set u equals cosine of x. Now differentiate. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, so du is negative sine of x dx. Now we write the integral. So the integral becomes negative u cubed du. Now integrate. This gives negative u to the power of 4 divided by 4. Finally, substitute back. We get negative cosine to the power of 4 of x divided by 4 plus c. Why does this work? Because the derivative of cosine gives us the sine term we already have. Quick takeaway. Odd power of cosine with sine present means substitution with cosine.